So I went a little out of my way on my way down to Crossroads in Beaver Creek. I felt some remorse leaving that carnival glass set behind. I'm sure it sold over the weekend. The chances are pretty slim of it still being here, but it's only a few minutes out of the way, so I decided to stop by and check it out anyway. So a couple things here. First is the Millefori paperweight. Doesn't look like it's got a price tag on it, but I noticed the toaster salt and pepper shaker. This is usually a pretty quick sell, and it's only $5. Let's see. It's got a little crack on the bottom of that one. And a little crack on the bottom of that too. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave those. Since they are more common, I do want them to be in really good condition if I pick them up. This Jack and Jill spinning top, $25. It's not a bad price, but not for me for resale. I'd probably actually sell that for a little less than that, especially because of the condition. I think I already looked at this set, and they were priced pretty close to what I'd sell them for. $11.25. Yeah, it's about what I'd get for them after fees. It only leaves like $1 or $2 for profit, so I'm gonna put those back. So just as I had suspected, it looks like the glass tumblers, the carnival set sold. Those creepy babies are still there. This skunk that someone mentioned is a wind-up toy. It's newer, it's made in China, so I'm gonna put that back. Dang, I'm really upset I left that carnival set. That just goes to show you leave it. Oh, but this booth is all decked out for Halloween, which it wasn't before. This is new, but it's incredible. It's huge, so I'm not gonna get it. That is so fantastic. The hobbyist pieces. What's going on with the nuns? Definitely look new. Clay nuns. Those are really fun though. Well, it looks like this booth got some new stuff too. Of course, I noticed the religious figure. It's $12. It hangs on the wall. That's really nice. I'd probably only sell this for like $17, which only leaves $1 or $2 for profit. So I'm gonna put that back. This planter definitely catches my eye. It's probably gonna be expensive. Yeah, $30. That is a really neat shape. I'd probably sell that for $32. And I love these lucite napkin holders. $17 is definitely a really good price for retail. I feel like I could eke out a couple bucks from this. It's in pretty good condition. The last few I've had have sold relatively quickly, but it's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on that. Funky little flocked pig, $15. Since I'm here, I decided to check all my favorite booths. What is this a candle? God, that is adorable. I'm not really trying to ship a used candle though. Is that a daisy trash can? $14.25. That is fun. It's got some damage, or some wear, I should say. God, I kind of want to get this. I'm not sure how well it would sell. Wish there was an extra discount. I'm gonna hold out. What is that? A donkey? Oh my gosh, how cute. $13. That's probably about what I'd sell that for too. So full disclosure, I really only went there to see if they still had that carnival glass set, and unfortunately it sold over the weekend, which is not surprising. I'm gonna go down the road to Antique Crossroads in Beaver Creek. It's been a really long time since I've been there. Even though this is local, I always forget it's here. I don't know why. Probably because there's not too much kitsch usually, and what I do find is right on the money most of the time, but I'm hoping to find some good stuff today. So 45% off everything over $10. This kind of fun set. I've never seen that before. $12 plus 40%, not bad. Let's see what else they got. Everything else I've kind of seen before. I kind of like this Fez Man planter. Interesting, $10. Can't ignore these giraffes. Those are pretty neat. The 45 is definitely retail on those. These are interesting. Milk glass. Lots of fun salt and pepper shakers. Nothing that's really screaming at me. Gosh, these are neat too. I've bought this style a bunch and I haven't sold a single set of them, so definitely staying away from those. I like this dog. It's a piggy bank, I guess. Where's his bank hole? That's strange. $8. It's not a bad price. Ooh, oh, that thing got me before, that Mondrian style vase. It's $45. What about this? Oh, how cute. Little bird ashtray for $6.50. That will probably be fun for Christmas. And then, of course, I love the Art Deco girls. I don't know why this one's so... Oh, as is. I was going to say, it's so much cheaper than the other ones. This little cutie. $8. This is a pretty interesting vase. $6.50. I think that's rather fun. I like the shape. Not ready to pull the trigger quite yet. Ooh, wait a minute. That looks, it says vintage. The bottom is a little sketch. On the fence about that, about the age. This booth usually has, well, not usually, it always has super great prices. You never know what you're gonna find. I'm kind of nervous about how quickly I've been moving through this place. Oh, this is cute. Oh, baseball baby. Interesting. Kind of like the bowling planter hidden back here. $3.25. It's not the original one. It's too heavy to be the original Japan one. And plus the finish on the bottom is different. It's probably Taiwan. So I'm normally not a Lenox person, but I can't ignore this set. $39. That's probably pretty close to retail. I'm gonna look it up just because I've never seen that before, and it's got the original box. Oh, and here's another one of those Napco-ware pumpkin planters I picked up the other day. This one's $20. I got mine for $11. What is that hiding under there? Caught a glimpse of this guy. What a scary, goofy looking Santa Claus. I'm not so sure about that one. I am like low-key obsessed with these statues. Mid-century storks. They're like brand new looking. I mean, not in age, just in condition. Super unique. What's this little guy? Little egg cup. Oh, how cute is he? Unfortunately, he is super repaired. Can't see past that huge crack. Whoa. This guy's different. $35. That's probably about what I'd sell him for too. I love his expression. Gotta check this. Oh, it's a flower frog. How pretty. $38. Definitely retail. And then the little one. $30. Okay, but this little planter is adorable. With her little doll. $4.50. Japan. I think I am gonna go ahead and pick this one up. It's pretty unique. Cherries, this is German. Looks German. Either way, 15. Oh, dang, that's why it's $4.50. It's missing an arm. Just kidding, another strikeout. Oh wow, I've never seen one of these in the original box before. How cute. $20 is definitely retail on that, but if I was buying that for myself, I wouldn't think twice with the original box. Normally these are all torn up. This material is really hard to sustain time. Okay, but I love these. Oh, please. Does that say 16 for the pair? Dang, I can't do that. That's about what I'd sell those for. Really funny faces, unique expressions. So unfortunately that was kind of a strikeout, but it's okay, it happens. I'm gonna get in the car and go next door to Beaver Creek. Speaking of epic roly-polies, that is by far the most epic one I've ever seen. Look at the eyes on that thing. Oh, look at this little squeak toy. He is adorable. $5. Still kind of squeaks too. I've kind of dropped off with my rubber toys though. I used to sell them like crazy. Wait a minute, what's that? Oh, how cute. He's got a pin in his eye. It's only $5. I wonder what's happening here. I guess somebody just used him as a pin cushion. And then here's one of those little monkeys with the real fur. Very cute. $14. It's definitely retail on that one. I got this one in yellow the last time I was here, and unfortunately I still have it. Otherwise I would have been excited to find the red one too. Let me prop him back up. And the couch potato, that's a really good price. With the box, they usually sell for about $45. Okay, but I'm also really into this statue. $975. Okay, I'm gonna back up slowly. I have to say, I do really appreciate how well everything is displayed here. A lot of the prices so far are retail, but that's fair because they take their time in here. The booths are so much fun. Like, I love that wall hanging up there. It's just a fun place to walk around. Even if I don't find anything, it's not all for nothing. I do have to check the prices. I'm sure these are expensive. This color is so pretty, $49. This has my attention. How special are you? $85 special. Yeah, can't do that, obviously. And then, of course, this fun little teddy bear has been turned into a lamp. Love that. I'm obsessed with these wall hangings, too. Those are really neat. I'm so curious to know how much they are. $58. That's actually a super fair price, I feel like. I would love to have those in my home. Okay, but what? Look at these guys. Dang, $30. How funny is he with his eye patch? I kind of want him. Yeah, I think for $5, I'm gonna grab this. Let's see what else they got. Gosh, this is such a fun case. Whoa. Really like that cross. $10. That's probably close to what I'd get for that after fees. Light bulb ashtray. That's kind of fun. Again, only $5. It's got a little chip though. But this bank. Oh, how cute is that? $10. I feel like I could make some money off of that. Does it have a key? It does have a key. Yeah, since it has a key, I can't really resist that. I'm gonna go ahead and take both these things. Oh, look at this goofy sock elephant. $25. I like him. I got really excited when I saw this postcard. Sure enough, it does squeak. But unfortunately, it's got some pretty severe creasing on it. Otherwise, for $5, I'd probably grab this. I'm really into that pottery octopus planter vase thing. Back there, it says unmarked. Unfortunately, it's $65, so I'm not gonna get that out. So I also just came across this enamel dish. It's by Bovano. It's got the red dot, which means it's 50% off. So for $6, I'm not sure why it's $6, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. This is super nice. I love the 3D effect. These baskets with all the dolls and miniatures are one of my favorite things here. This guy is hilarious. He's pretty busted. And of course, I love the little crochet cuties. It's a little pricey. And the finger puppets, $19. That's about retail on that. So much fun going through this stuff. Cute. A little jointed. Celluloid. Ooh, a sailor. The face isn't as defined as I'd like it. She is so cute. Well, I ended up finding a couple things in the last minute there. So it wasn't a wasted day. Plus, I got to walk around. It's beautiful out. So now I'm gonna go home and work on my listings.